This is the last fan in the house. This is an Arlec modern ceiling fan. Not sure if it's called the modern ceiling fan, but all know that it's a modern fan. I don't like it, but perhaps they do. Oh, those baby dolls. No, I was planning on stashing those away because it's so creepy, but light off. This is a video which will be done with the light on, but this is quite dark. Here's low. There's the remote, by the way. What is this? I don't know what that's for. It's probably for light of some kind. Oh, there's the other. I didn't see a video of that before. Oh, we might have missed the other. The started from low for that one, but anyway. Oh, where's the light switch for this? I'm just trying to find the light switch for that so I can turn the light off here, but let's see. No, that won't work. Medium, there's a one. Hi. Isn't well, see. Wow, that's powerful for a modern fan. Yeah, that's impressive. Let's compare it with this guy. Let's wait for it to start up, but here's that one. Look at it, there's a new, they also have a new aircon. And here's this one high. And it appears that this one, surprisingly, no, I think they move about the same amount of air. Let's turn it off. Let's see if I can dim the light. Oh. Oh, it's just a Lego piece. I don't think she's calling my name. Ellie and Katana don't sound similar, so that now. I might reverse, but maybe not. Afterwards, we'll be done with the ceiling fans here. I'll have the videos, the stand fans, and the exhaust fans. Actually, maybe we'll video the fans downstairs, even though they're identical to the other FNC fans, the 244-inch fans, the contemporary ones. But anyway, probably still video them, just in case there's some difference. Started from high. Whoa. Did you hear that? Let's do that again. Listen. That's interesting. I've got to see. Anyway, one last look at the fan. And I forgot to give you a top shot, actually. Let's do reverse. Didn't think we'll ever do reverse, but we can. Start up. I just noticed that white ring around the motor is just like industrial fans, but... Oh, sorry. I must not be paying attention. And if anyone wants to show me finishing the video, here you go. I'll put the fan back on forward. And then excuse me. And let's turn the light off and put the fan back on low. Thank you for watching.